Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am not sharing any recipes and cooking tips with you. Instead of that, I will tell you a secret of weight loss. As you all know, in today's lifestyle, maximum people are suffering from obesity or overweight, which is the main reason of many life-taking diseases like diabetes or blood pressure. Sugar intake is mainly responsible for it. We don't even like sugar, but we are addicted to it. Today I am telling about a replacement of sugar which tastes like sugar but having zero calories. Now, yes, I am telling about stevia. Stevia is a natural sweetener which is 3 times more sweeter than regular sugar. In our Ayurveda, we know it as Meethi Tulsi. Here is a product about which I am telling. Its name is Zindagi Stevia. Its 1 gram is equivalent in sweetness to teaspoon of sugar and gives 0 calorie instead of 32 calories provided by 2 teaspoon of sugar. Stevia is ideal for cooking and baking because it is highly heat stable. It can be used for making a wide variety of preparation, hot and cold beverages like tea, coffee, lassi, neebu pani, desserts and baked preparation. One more product is here which is in liquid drop form. Its name is Stevia. You can easily carry it while traveling. I suggest Zindagi Stevia as best replacement of sugar and artificial sweetener. Thank you all for watching this video and share my videos with your friends who want to lose weight.